like a knows how this song does, just like every night. Have its dawn. It does have its dawn, doesn't it? Just like every cowboy. They're all cowboys, aren't they? Every rose has its dawn. Wake up to the girl next to you and sing him that song, and I guarantee you won't see him ever again. Song on the way here, just like bear with me. It's called Hold On, and it goes like this. The drummer, really. Early morning when the sun comes around and there's no one else in bed. Should have thought before I screamed at you and listened to what I said. Never before have I found a girl that made me feel this way. Lonely time by my TV set, my heart was torn away. Yeah, my heart's been torn away. My heart torn away. It's only 12:30, man. We got a lot of partying to do. Especially when I give you the after-hour party location.
I hurt myself on that thing.
You hurt yourself.
I'm trying to clean up my...
She's trying to clean up. She hit herself on the monitor. Goddamn, you know, it's not a party. It's not a party till someone gets hurt, something gets broken, or something gets spilled. So you're right into place. All right. It looks like we're going to do one more for this set. We're going to tie your mother down. Yeah! Come on. Come on. JJ2's Saturday night. Come on, man. You guys can sleep all day tomorrow. Drink up. Let's go. Come on. Are you ready? Cut it out. Yeah. Ooh, you got to climb it down again, to pick it down again. I'll be baby. I got my downtown time. Trying to ride. It's gotta be tonight, my little school baby. Your mama said you won't, and your papa said you don't, and I'm going inside. No way, I'm gonna lose out this time. No way. Tie your mother down, tie your mother down. Ooh, get your father house down, ain't no nothing around. Tie your mother down, we'll play it out. Tie your mother down, know you ain't no. Before we go, got the dirty house to get you out of my house. Yeah, that's all I get from you. The family ties, in fact, I don't think I sing a single serve from these guys. Your mama said you won't, and your papa said you don't, and I'm gonna be shy. No way, I'm gonna lose out this time. No way. Whoa. Give me my love. Tie your mother down, tie your mother down. Take your foot a swim with a correct, that's alright. Tie your mother down, tie your mother down. Hey, no friend of mine. Let me tell you something. I'm just a peace-loving guy. Yeah. Tie your mother down. Tie your mother down. Come on, let me hear you. Tie your mother down. Tie your mother down. Come on, do that more. Tie your mother down. Tie your mother down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, you ain't no friend of mine, yeah. Yeah. What do you say? One more time. One more time. Tie your mother down, tie your mother down. Tie your mother down. Come on, do my love. Tie your mother down, tie your mother down. Oh, yeah. Metallica fans, we're in. Yeah. All right. Let me tell you something, man. I'm getting my ass kicked up here because we haven't done any Metallica yet, but we're going to take around 10 minutes, and I guarantee we'll open up the next set with some Metallica. Stick around. We're going to kick it ass. Kenny, open me up a little bit, would you? Look, you guys are front row, man. I better do good. All right.
Ken.
All right, everybody, wake up, man. Wake up. It's time to wake up. It's time to get the party going again. Come on, man, it's only 1 o'clock, man. I go till at least 5 or 6. You guys can't be tired yet. I didn't think you are. We got a lot more partying for you tonight. My friends stuck around to the end, and we're gonna do some Metallica, and it goes like this. Also, where's Rich? Where's Rich? This is a happy birthday to my boy Rich. Metallica, come on!